Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a pretty exciting unboxing video, and this would be really just a simple unboxing. I would not really call it a review yet. And this one I have pre-ordered from the website, and this is the Samsung Galaxy S24 plus the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. And inside the box is pretty simple. They went ahead for an eco-friendly packaging, which is a honeycomb bubble wrap. And inside we have the receipt and the warranty. And when you open inside, you would be able to see the phone and the watch itself. And now we will be focusing first at the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. And for the color, I got the cobalt violet, which I really like. It's my favorite color, purples, like pink. I really like them. And I have noticed that it's really like a good hold since the texture of the phone itself is like velvety matte. It's not completely matte, but it's also not glossy, which is I really like since glossy tends to have more a fingerprint magnet and it tends to be more scratchy than matte. I like the matte texture more since it's not prone from scratches. And inside the box, you will just have a simple cable and SIM ejector tool. And for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, correct me if I'm wrong, I think there's two variant. There's silver and the black one. Inside, I got the black version, which I really like because it's easier to pair with anything. And if you like to buy straps for it, it's easier to choose. And when you open the box, the watch is already comes with the strap already. And I really like this very classic looking digital watch. And inside the box, you would be able to see the manual for the watch. And on the other side, it comes with the cable charger for the watch. And I really like that it already is a USB-C cable. Thank you for watching, everyone. Follow for more.